Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix export to Word losing formatting in Adobe Acrobat. So if exporting a PDF to Microsoft Word from Adobe Acrobat causes formatting problems, the issue is usually related to the PDF's structure, fonts, or the complexity of the original document. So actually guys, first you will need to use the latest version of Adobe Acrobat, right? So the older versions may have conversion bugs. So actually guys, all you need to do is to go to the question mark here at the top right, so here at the top, as you can see, and then just go with the Acrobat help, right? So click on it, and then you will get forwarded into that website. So now you will need just go with get started here, download, find membership, help, and learn the basics, right? So there you go. So right here you will find the latest version of Adobe Acrobat. Just download it to make sure that you have the latest version. And then just restart the Acrobat from the task manager. From here, right click on the taskbar and go with the task manager. Go ahead to the Adobe Acrobat, and just right click on it and go with end task, right? And then go to your desktop and relaunch it, right? So just double click on it, and now you will need to try exporting again. Also guys, you will need to use the export PDF tool, so instead of copying and pasting. So actually guys, here on the left hand menu you will find PDF spaces, right? So here you will need just to go with select files, and then just go with Microsoft Word and Word documents and save the converted file, right? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.